Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to discuss a matter that affects us all smoking on campus. This topic is not merely about personal choice, it's about healthy community and the environment we wish to create together. First and foremost, we must consider the health implication of smoking. The World Health Organization states that smoking is a leading cause of preventable disease and premature death. When students smoke on campus, they not only danger their own health, but also expose those around them to second-hand smoke. This is particularly concerning for non-smokers, included those with asthma and other respiratory conditions. We have responsibility to protect well-being for all members of our campus community. Moreover, smoking on campus sends a conflict message. As a student, we are encouraged to first knowledge, wellness, and a bright future. Allowing smoking in a shared space undermines that values. We should strive to cultivate an environment that promotes healthy lifestyle, where the focus is on academic achievement and personal growth. Additionally, we must address the environmental impact of smoking. Cigarettes are one of the most common from the litter worldwide, often ending up our garden, walkway, and waterway. It's not only mars the beauty of our campus, but also forces treat a local wildlife. By reducing smoking in our areas, we can contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable environment. So what I can do, I propose that we support activities to create decide smoking areas that are away from common space and heavily frequented areas. This compromise allows individuals the freedom to smoke while respecting to health and comfort to others. Furthermore, we can encourage educational programs what inform students about the danger of smoking and after resort for the looking to quit. In conclusion, smoking on campus is not just a personal choice. It has significant implications for our community, health, environment, and value. Let us work together to force a healthier, cleaner, and more safer campus environment to everyone. Thank you. Project 1 Simple Present. Let me introduce myself. My name Muhammad Reka Maulana Zulkarnain. NIM 19240364. Kelas 19 1B 14. I live in Tungjati, Kecamatan Karangbarat. What's that simple present? Simple present is the most frequently used verb form in English. The characteristic of the science of that use the simple present. Fact or truth, such as the sun rise in the east. Habit such as the she reads a book every night before bed. General information such as a nurse look after patient in hospital. unchanging situation. I work in London. The characteristic of the science of use the simple present. Using the basic from the of the verb one marked with signal word such as always, forever, now, and then. At the time, normally, generally, constant, frequent, occasional, rarely, and sometimes, usually, often, every day, week, month, year, all of the time. The next, nominal simple present. How do you make simple present tense? The following is the simple present tense formula that you can use. Subject plus subject plus to be plus complement minus subject plus to be plus not complement. To be plus subject and complement. Example of the simple present tense nominal sense pattern plus I am an international school student. Artinya saya adalah seorang mahasiswa. She is not a international school student. Dia bukan seorang mahasiswa. She is an international school student. Apakah dia seorang mahasiswa? Berikut adalah rumus nominal dalam simple present. Verbal simple present tense. The formula plus mean and of the simple present tense of verbal patterns is subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Subject do does not plus verb 1 plus complement. I'm accorded with the previous discussion in verbal sentence. Do you not need to add be after the subject because the task and the predicate in the verb. The good thing is the verb is tense in basic formula, meaning has changed. Rumus kalimat verbal penambahan huruf akhir dalam simple verb. Berikut adalah contohnya. And the next, positive affirmative simple present. Just like nominal verbal tense also have a positive form we discussed at the beginning. Example for the simple present tense sentence. I live in Jakarta. Artinya saya tinggal di Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Dia tinggal di Jakarta. Negative simple present. So, especially for negative science and the interrogative sentence, use do or does or do not and does not. Example, I don't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. He doesn't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. Why doesn't it live? How come it doesn't live? Yup, because the word doesn't include the additional s. There's no need to add more to verb section. Simple present question interrogative. In the interrogative sentence pattern is version to fourth, namely yes or no question. I do work. Artinya apakah saya bekerja? Does she work? Apakah dia bekerja? In accordance with the name of the type, namely yes or no question. So you only need to answer the question above with yes I do. Artinya iya saya bekerja. Yes he does. Dia sedang bekerja. Next. What do you think when you read, especially is the question word in English enacted to letter V and H? What do you play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does she play? Why do we play? How do you they? The next. What are the examples of simple present tense? Positive scientist. She wants to be a doctor. Cow eat grass. They speak English at the office. He like banana. He play basketball every morning. Negative. They don't have any money. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. My best friend doesn't love you. You don't listen to me. California is not United King. The next. Interrogative sentence question. Do they talk a lot? Does he play tennis? Does your father drink coffee? Where does he lunch? Does he ride the motor seat? The next. Time word to adverb of the time. Adverb of the time simple present. At the verb of time, we will discuss another term, named the verb of frequency. Actually, time word is not always present. It's every simple present tense. However, the sentences that use time word below are definitely included to the simple present tense. Very list do you should note down. Time word out atau adverb of time. Biasanya ada usually, habitually, normally, generally, selalu, always, jarang, rarely, sering, often, kadang-kadang, sometimes, tidak pernah, never, hampir tidak pernah, hardly, never, setiap minggu, every week, setiap hari, every day, setiap bulan, every month, 4 kali sehari, 4 times a day, 4 kali seminggu, 4 times a week, sebulan sekali, 1 a month. The next. What are the characteristics of simple present? After summarizing the previous explanation, here are some characteristics in the present tense. Using a verb in basic from adjective or no irregular verb. Example, I play soccer every weekend. The play is a verb in the base form. We use auxiliary verb, namely do or does, for verbal sentences in negative interrogative form. Example, he doesn't eat meat. Does not auxiliary word in negative from the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do sama dengan auxiliary word for a question with the subject you. In the present tense, there are usually Adverb of the time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. Function and use simple present. A part of a phrasing fact. When can we use the simple present tense in sentence? The answer is the imagine below. Next, general truth, journey or fact. In the world, we can escape what is called absolutely truth or general truth, where generalization means the truth that cannot to be constant. So, simple present tense is a form science of express concrete thing. An example sentence is the earth revolves around the sun. The next, habitually or a daily activity, a repeat action. If you heard the word habit, sure you can immediately guess I meaning easily. Yup, the simple present then also function to show daily habit or activity, the schedule that you can do regularly. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. Next, express feeling and emotional. Are you sad? Or maybe you think about sometime? Don't hesitate, you can express it using simple present sentence. Example of sentence feeling, I'm sad to hear the bad news. I'm sad to hear bad news from you. Emotion, I'm always grateful because I have a great best friend. I am always grateful for having good friends. The next, the schedule event the near of future or familiar with future condition. What is the meaning by this function is that the simple present tense and is also used to discuss activity or event that are scheduled in the near future. Apart from the distance, common used when discuss transport schedule. For example, the train departs at 8 a.m. with the train will leave at 8 a.m. The next, command or instruction. Command or instruction give command and instruction. Have you ever watched the cooking tutorial? Don't go too far. We must often instructor or command. Do you smartphone right? For example, drawing sign, draw pattern, or use fingerprint to unlock. Draw a pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Pour the juice into the cup. Pour in pour the juice into a cup. If you already understand what the function of simple present are, thank you. If there are error is pronunciation of word, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.